Hello happy friends. Today our topic is computer networks and this is computer network part 8. In this lecture we are going to discuss about some numerical regarding to computer networks. So let's start.
Question number one. TechUp Corporation or TUC. TechUp Corporation or TUC is a professional consultancy company. TechUp Corporation TUC is a professional consultancy company. The company is planning to set up their new office in India with its hub at Hyderabad. As a network advisor, you have to understand their requirement and suggest to them the best available solution. Their queries are mentioned as first and fourth below, and you have to understand their requirement and suggest to them the best available solution. So let's check what is the query. First of all, name of the company is TechUp Corporation TUC is not important for us because we have to find out the solution. So we can easily see that there are three physical location of the blocks of TUC. First is a conference block, second is finance block, and third is human resource block. So three physical locations of the blocks of TUC are there. Then in second diagram we can see that block of the block distance. So distance between different blocks from to blocks 2, and as we know that there are three blocks, so distance from human resource block to conference block is about 60, and the distance is in meters. And from human resource to finance it is about 120 meter, and from conference to finance it is about 80 meter. So we can easily see that distance from human resource to finance is about 120, and distance from human resource to conference about 60. So conference is very close to human resource in comparison to finance. And we can also see that difference from human resource to conference is about 60 meter, and distance from human resource is about 120 meter, and when we go from conference to finance it is about it is about 80 meters. So if we take a path from human resource to conference, that is all about 60 meter, and then conference to finance, then it is about 80 meters. So 60 plus 80 is around 140. So 140 meter distance indirectly from human resource to finance. So next is block to block distance. Okay, this is already mentioned, and as we know that distance from human resource to finance is about 120, and human resource to conference is about 60, and human conference to finance is about 80 meter. So you have two paths from human resource to finance directly, and when we go directly then it is 120 meter around, and indirectly through conference it is 140 meter. Next part is expected number of computer to be installed in each blocks. Human resource there are 125 computers, in finance there are 25 computers, in conference block there are only 60 computers. So we can easily see that in human resource block there are much more computer as compared to finance and conference. So this is a general description which I read about it. Now let's check what is the problem of it. First of all, what will be the most appropriate block where TUC should plan to install their server? So this is question number 1, part 1. Draw a block to block cable layout to connect all the buildings in the most appropriate manner for efficient communication. And part number 3, what will be the best possible connectivity out of the following? You will suggest to connect the new setup of office in Bangalore with its London based office, and there are three options: infrared discs, Ethernet cable, and satellite link. And part number 5, which of the following devices will be suggested by you to connect each computer in each of the buildings? So this is question number 1. Now we can summarize this question as, first of all, there is a company and consultancy company here, and located in Hyderabad, and there are three physical locations or blocks of TUC. These are conference block, finance block, and human resource block. In all these blocks, there are certain number of computers in it, and maximum number of computers are in basically human resource, then conference, and then finance. Least is in finance. And as far as distance is concerned, distance between human resource to finance is much more higher than others. From human resource to conference it is 60 meter. From human resource from conference to finance it is about 80 meters. And as we know that in this question KV layout will is KV layout is asked. So if you draw a KV layout, first of all, just see that the minimum cable required to connect different blocks. So this is the concept behind the cable layout. And second important thing regarding to cable layout is that always try to connect block directly from that block which contains server. And so this is the points regarding to cable layout. And one thing, part number 1, what will be the most appropriate block where TUC should be planned to install their server? So we should plan our server in a block which have maximum number of computers. So always plan the server in that block which have maximum number of computer, because there is a local connectivity also, so most of the computer get benefited by placing a server in that block. So always try to place a server in that block which have maximum number of computers in it. And as far as second part is concerned, draw a block diagram or block cable layout. um, our focus is on two things. First of all, minimize the cable length, and second thing is try to connect the block which contain a server. Now there is a question in mind, then what happens when we have a choice, and choice is that if we connect a block from a second block which have a server, and the cable distance is not very much matter, it is hardly a difference of certain meters, then in that particular case what uh, what is our priority? So in this case, basically when cable length is not very much uh, very much matter, then in this case we try to directly connect to the block which contain a server. So part number 3 is that there is what will be the best possible connectivity out of the following? You will suggest to connect the new setup of office in Bangalore with the London based office. Now here there are certain types of transmission media. Some are of guided media and some are of unguided media. In our previous lecture, we already discussed some guided and some unguided media according to their merits and demerits. As we know that if the distance is very large, then we use unguided media in compared to guided media, and also when we use unguided media, then distance is also matters. Then which type of unguided media is there, or given in question, is basically important, and then according to that we give our answer. And next is switching device. So next part is related to switching device. Different different network devices, sorry. So different network devices perform different tasks in our computer network systems, and according to their work and our need, we use different network devices in different circumstances. As the condition given in question, first of all, read the question and find out the condition, and according to that, the choice that are given in questions, find out the suitable network devices which is very appropriate to use in that particular condition. So first question is, what will be the most appropriate block where TUC should plan to install their server? To install their server, let us check the number of computers in each and every block. Human resource block contain 125 computers. So we select human resource block to install as a server. So this concept is very simple. Select that block which contain maximum number of computers in it. So to install a server, in this case, we can easily see that there are three blocks: human resource block, finance block, and conference block. And human resource block contain 125 computers, finance block simply contain 25, and conference block 60 computers. So we just select human resource block to install a server. And why we install server in human resource block? Answer is very simple. We install a server in human resource block because of local connectivity. Most of the computer are locally connected to the server, so we select human resource block to install as a server. Next is, draw a block diagram, block cable layout to connect all the building in the most appropriate manner for efficient communication. For efficient communication, connect all these buildings. So distance between different buildings are given here, and here our focus is to connect all buildings with minimum cable length, and if possible connect all these building with server room. So there is a simple answer in it. Just connect conference block to human resource block in it, and this is a conference block to human resource. This is around 60 meter, and then human resource block to finance block, human resource block to finance block, this is around 120 meter, and conference block to finance block, this is around 80 meter. Now we want to now our focus is to connect all these blocks with minimum cable length, and in this case total cable length is to be found is 120 plus 80, it is around 200, and 260 meter length. But we also see that there is a there are two different paths when we go from when we want to connect human resource to finance. One is direct, one is indirect. When we go finance block from human resource block, then just go to the conference block, and then from conference block to the finance blocks. So 60% is equal to 140. And to connect directly from human resource block to one human resource block to finance block, there is a cable of length 120 meters. So this is unnecessary. So don't join these two blocks, and answer is simple. This, connect these two and then connect these two. This is 60, this is 80, and this is 60, this is 80. So total 140 meter length is required to connect all these 3 blocks. So this is the answer. If there is a length of around 40 meter to connect finance block and human resource block, then in this case we can directly connect finance block to human resource block. Then because in that case we give direct access from human finance block, take direct access to human resource block. But since the distance is quite high and it is around 120 meters, so just remove it from the diagram, and this is the final answer. So remember only two things. First of all, minimize cable length, and second thing is that try to connect all the blocks directly to the block which contains server. And if distance is until and unless distance doesn't um, distance is not much high, so in this case total 140 meter distance is required, so we connect a human resource block to conference block directly, and conference block to finance block directly. And to go from human resource block to finance block, we take a path from human resource to conference block and then conference to finance block. Next is what will be the best possible connectivity out of the following? You will suggest to connect the new setup of office in Bangalore with the London based office. So we have to connect London and Bangalore, and we have two options: infrared range, which have low range, satellite which have high range, and also an unguided media and Ethernet cable which is a guided media. So obviously in this case no competition at all, just try to connect satellite link. Just try to connect Bangalore and London using satellite link here. Next question is, which of the following devices will be suggested by you to connect each computer in each of the buildings? So you to connect different computers in each buildings, we use Howard switch. Switch is the answer. Modem basically used for modulation, demodulation, analog to digital, digital to analog conversion. Gateway is used to connect two different lines segment. So obviously switch is the correct answer. So there is no competition at all. Switch is the correct answer. And this question is asked in All India 2004 Computer Science examination of class 12. Now this is clear to all of you. So basically question asked in 4 parts, or one part related to server. So logic is very simple. To install a server, select that block or that building which have maximum number of computers. Second thing, regarding to block of cable layout, to draw a cable layout, use minimum cable to connect all these blocks, and also see that try to connect all buildings using server room directly. And third is um, regarding to transmission media. So transmission media basically defined according to our convenience and according to distance. As in this case distance is much more high, then we use obviously satellite link here. And fourth is according to device. So role of each device is already explained in our previous lecture. In this question we have to connect each and every computer within a building, and to connect computer within a building, switch or hub are used. So switch is already given, so we use switch as an answer. So I think now this question is clear to all of you. Next is another question, and this is question number this is question number 67 of your book. GRK International is planning to connect its Bangalore office setup with its head office in Delhi. The Bangalore office GRK International is spread across an area of approx 1 square kilometer, consisting of 3 blocks: human resource block, academic block, and administration blocks. You as network expert have to suggest answer to the 4 queries 1 to 4 raised by them. So this is similar question as we solved in this lecture. So first of all, let us check the condition again. So these are the 3 blocks: human resource block, administration block, and academic blocks. Keep the distance, notice given, keep the distance between blocks and number of computers in each blocks in mind while providing them the solution. Okay, that is a basic, and that is our Delhi head office, and that is Bangalore office setup. So there are 2 setups, and within a Bangalore office setup there are 3 blocks: human resource block, administration block, and academic block, and we have to connect Delhi head office block to Bangalore office setup. Next is shortest distance between various blocks. So human resource to administration it is 100, from human resource to academic it is 65, from academic to administration it is 110, and Delhi head of office to Bangalore office setup is 2350 kilometer. So these are the distances. First of all, suggest the most suitable block in the Bangalore office setup to host the server. Give a suitable reason with your suggestion. So let us check number of computers in each block. Here in human resource it is given in question but not given in slide. Human resource block, HR block, HR block contain 125 computers, 155 computers. Administration block contain 20, and then academic AC contain 100, and Delhi head office contain 20. To install a server, just find out the block which contain maximum number of computers. In this we can see that HR block contain 155 number of computers in it. So of course we put a server, we install a server in HR block. So that is the answer of first part. So question is, suggest the most suitable block in the Bangalore office to host the server. Give a suitable reason with your answer. And server should be installed in Bangalore office setup. So obviously human resource is a block because it has maximum number of computers. We always select that a block or building which have maximum number of computer and install a server in it. So human resource block is the answer of this question. Next, cable layout network. So connect all these buildings to each other. We can see that within Bangalore office there are human resource to administration distance given, human resource to academic distance given, academic to administration distance given. So human resource to academic, when we say that human resource to academic, then distance is 65 meter, and academic to administration this distance is 110 meter, and human resource to administration distance is 100 meter. And one more important thing, human resource work as a server room also. Server room is there in human resource block, and we have to minimize the distance between all these blocks. So and try to connect server room directly to all these blocks. So we can easily see that to connect administration block to academic block there is a distance of 165 meter, and to connect directly administration block to academic block it is 110 meter. So there is no much more difference in it, so just remove it. So just try to connect only these two and remove the line which connect administration to academic, because it is 165 and it is around human resource to administration it is 100 and it is 65. So it is 65, this is 100 and this is 65, and directly when we connect directly then this is 110. So no need to connect directly, because administration block to academic block connection can be established using human resource block, and the cable is around 165 meters, so don't waste 110 meter to connect administration block and academic block. So just remove the cable line between administration and academic block. So minimum of 165 meter cable is required, and that is the final answer. Next is uh, suggest a suitable network devices to be installed in each of the block essentially required for connecting computers inside the blocks with a fast and efficient connectivity. So no network device is given here, but we know that to connect different computers within a building we use hub or switch. So hub is basically a non-intelligent device and switch is an intelligent device. Hub basically broadcasts the data, but switch send the data according to MAC address. So nothing is specially mentioned, so we can use hub or switch both. But if there is a competition between hub and switch, we always prefer switch as a network device to connect computers within a building. And last part is suggest the most suitable media to provide secure, fast and reliable data connectivity between Delhi head office and the Bangalore office setup. Delhi head office and Bangalore setup. Now this is Bangalore office setup and this is Delhi head office setup, and the distance is around 2350 and kilometers. 2150 kilometers. So this is a very big distance. So obviously when there is a big distance we always use unguided media. Guided media is not preferred in that case, and in unguided media satellite link is the best option. So I think satellite is the answer of this question. Yes, satellite. So to connect Bangalore office to Delhi satellite, we use satellite link. So in this lecture we solved two numericals regarding to networking, and as we see that there are four parts of each questions, and first part is related to server room, or basically to create a server room or to install a server in a particular building. So logic is very simple, that building which contain maximum number of computer, we install a server in that building. Second, cable layout, so try to minimize the cable length, and try to connect all these buildings directly or indirectly with minimum cable length. And second thing, try to connect building which have server directly to the other buildings if possible, and if cable length is not very much matter. And third important thing is regarding to network devices. Different network devices have different functions, and all the functions are already mentioned in our previous classes regarding to the network devices. Just read it, and according to that give an answer. And the fourth part basically related to transmission media. So when distance is high, then we use unguided media, and when distance is low, then we use the guided media. So in both this question, distance is very much high as compared to others. It is around in 2000 kilometers, so obviously there is no competition at all. We use satellite link in these questions. So in our next lecture, we do some questions of this networking uh, chap of regarding to networking. So I hope you understood this concept very well.